Hi, I'm Mike from SquareV LED Video Products. We're based out of Franklin, Tennessee in the Nashville, Tennessee area. We design, test, service, and support all of our products right out of Franklin, so it's very convenient. We're showing some new products here at InfoComm this year, and one of them is our SB5 Scoreboard. It's a 5mm indoor fixed install product. And really, it's the same product you've come to know from SquareV. It's very durable, no frills, just does what it's supposed to do. But also it has some extended shader protection so that it can withstand some impact. I mean, that's very important, and we're really excited to show our customers what it can do. So if you are interested in buying a durable scoreboard that can withstand impact, visit SquareV, V as in Victor, LED.com. That's SquareVLED.com.